Today I want to talk about microphones, and specifically the dynamic microphone. The dynamic microphone is what you are probably going to use when you do go to an open mic. Today, for our purposes, we're going to use what is called a Sennheiser 835. That's the microphone directly in front of me. Other microphones in this category include the Shure SM58 and 57. What makes the dynamic microphone useful for open mic stages? There are two qualities that I find very important. One is it's a very rugged microphone, and that allows us to have a lot of set changes and mishaps that happen from time to time. The other quality that I really like about the dynamic microphone is that it's very directional, meaning when I point the microphone at something, just like pointing a camera at something, what is directly in front of the microphone is what you're going to pick up. The way that works is the dynamic microphone uses what is called a cardioid polar pattern, and the polar pattern is the area that is picking up sound, and we call it cardioid because it's shaped like a heart. So what happens at the indentation of the heart, everything behind the microphone is rejected. Just like a camera, everything behind the camera right now you can't see, you can only see what's in front of the camera. And that's very useful when you're miking several different sound sources, maybe several singers, several instruments, guitar amplifiers. You don't want the sound to bleed through into other microphones, so being able to direct that microphone is very useful and helps to cut out a lot of feedback. The other thing that's really important with these dynamic microphones is the proximity effect. And the proximity effect is the effect caused by your proximity to the microphone, and specifically, as you get closer to the microphone, you're going to hear the lower frequencies become much more emphasized. Real quickly, I'm going to demonstrate what happens when you get too close to a microphone visually. So here we are right up on top of the camera, and as you can see, I've just taken over everything in the view. And when I'm too far away from the mic, you can barely hear me, and I just blend in with the rest of the room. When I move back into my natural position, we get more clarity. So we like to find a nice, comfortable place between too close and too far, and that's where I want to sing most of the time. Now, the proximity effect can be used as an effective tool, just like distortion or overdriving a guitar amplifier. There is no right or wrong way. I don't ever want to tell you that. So understanding how to find a proper distance from the microphone is very helpful in helping you to achieve the sound you're looking for. Something else to consider for new performers, I often see people bring lyrics. Maybe they're on the iPhone, maybe it's a piece of paper, but they'll put the lyrics on their knee. And to read the lyrics, they have to look down at their knee, and as you can hear, I'm not getting a very good signal to the microphone. For me as a sound person, this is a little maddening. So it's really helpful if you learn the lyrics and you can sing directly into the microphone rather than to your knee, because you're not performing for your knee. So either learn the lyrics or get a music stand, and that'll help you to overcome that problem. These are some real basic things on microphone use, and I hope they help you to better understand the microphone before you show up to an open mic so that you can get the best results out of your music with that knowledge. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe to our channel. This is Charlie's Open Mic, and we'll see you next time.